Lots of pet owners ask the question, what scales do veterinarians use? Most veterinarians use a specialized veterinary scale that is essentially designed for weighing animals. The vet scale is typically around 42 inches long and 20 inches wide, and usually features a stainless steel platform cover and a rubber mat. The stainless steel platform cover and rubber mat combo make cleanup easier and provide extra grip and traction. The weighing capacity of top vet scales is typically around 500 pounds maximum. You may be wondering, how accurate are most vet scales? Most top-of-the-line vet scales display weight in 0.2 of a pound increments. The best vet scales usually offer standard AC power and rechargeable battery power. Most of the top vet scales offer some type of hold function on the weight display. The best veterinary scales have a painted steel enclosed weight display. So what scales do vets use? We often see vets using the VS2501 vet scale in their veterinary clinics. And we recommend the WeighSouth VS2501 vet scale for most animal weighing applications. Visit centralcarolinascale.com to get one of these VS2501 scales ordered today.